are the limits of Get a Snack at 4 a.m. to a game where you just beat the endings and just getting a pile of orange juice and toothpaste and then talking with this little dummy right here. We're going to see the limits of this game. It's pretty simple, but it quickly goes downhill once you know what to do. This is the unedited footage of me after I beated the game. Sorry for that stuttering. Played a game about getting a snack at a late hour. You've seen basically everything there is to see. So yeah, okay. I suppose you don't have anything else to do with this poll. I don't. Yep. Why is no shot? I did it. Get a snack at 4 a.m. Or have I? Ooh. Okay. That's it. I did it! Yeah! Oh yeah! Yeah, you're welcome. You're most welcome. I played this 3,305 seconds. That's definitely gonna break a world record or something. I shoplifted one time. Of course I'm supposed to shoplift one time. You're free to leave, okay? Bye! Oh yeah, I'm playing the entire game eventually. Because if you joined back in the room, I went back in the thing, and just wait. What happened? Okay, let's just join. Oh. What? Okay. Oh, you came back. How did you get here? I thought you were allowed to visit me. Bruh. Oh, you got here because of an error. Yeah, in the title screen. Maybe I'm tutorial. Yep, this room also acts as a debug room. If something very badly glitches out, you're sent here and I'm supposed to tell you what's causing the error. What happened to your text? Apparently it's something about information overload. Blah 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 blah. Blah blah. Honestly, I don't know why I was picked to be an error handler. I don't exactly know a lot about this kind of stuff. Apparently the bug is supposed to fix itself, so maybe we can move it out. Can you stop? For the meantime, I guess we can send you back to the world. Don't worry. Wasn't that messed up. At least, yet, not yet. Yeah, I have a big ability to teleport you out of there. Except I can't do it myself. Okay, it's sad. Like, go! Teleport me out of my room! Oh, I want you to know that the world is pretty booked out, so I'm stuck only can work on items and cash. Well, except for maybe that weird board thing in the shop. What's up with that, anyway? So yeah, don't mess with anything that might cause more problems. Bye. Okay. Go over here. What happened to my... Okay, what happened if I give the thing up? What happened to the cashier? Okay, let's just pick up the orb. Okay, I can't put my item here. Come on. What happens if I throw the orb in here? I can't throw the orb in the trash. What happens if I go outside? Oh! It cannot initiate shoplift admin. Cashier missing. Okay. I'm just gonna join back in. I'm crashing the game just by a stupid old orb. Oh. Wait, the bug's fixed. Wait, why is my orb here? You messed with something, didn't you? You know, I probably should have just kept you in here, but you seem to be rather trustworthy. Yeah, but I guess not. You had that orb? I didn't even know you could bring stuff in here. Okay? But, that orb thing, it's kind of making me uncomfortable. Why? That little orb, I couldn't even screen record. I'm sorry, but I have to teleport you back. Could you do me a favor, though? What favor? Throw that thing away. Go to the nearest trash can and toss it. Okay. Hello. I guess I'm go. Wait, why do you see some hesitant? I'm just asking for you to do something. Just one thing. You just do it. Okay. Oh wait, I was teleporting. Go! Oh! Player is no cannot throw me at mushroom again. Ugh, this is gonna take a while, isn't it? I wonder what's gonna happen next. Stop it. Oh. Oh my goodness. Look, what happens if I just... Let's get an item from the fridge. I can't interact with the fridge. Oh my god. Oh my... I can't jump over the chair. Okay, bench. What happens if I jump? I'm deaf. What? Oh, let's do that again. 3 times the charm. No, okay. Alma. Okay. This is... Yes, it is. It's kind of a shame that my first experience here is when the ball is warped in. It looks like this. Did the game get corrupted? Should I merge my room and this is world? You still have that room. Yes, I do. I thought you threw it away. I'm pretty sure I saw you do it. I'm still certain that thing is causing all of this. Now that I think of it, that orb acted a bit differently towards them. It looked like it was watching them. That thing is just so confusing. Do you know what I mean? No, I do not. You're glitching out. If the orb really did corrupt more than did they somehow stop it from doing it? I don't know. I know you don't know exactly like them, but so maybe somehow they were able to keep it checked by me. Maybe they were still here. This wouldn't have happened. Right, cash it up. wrong. What? Okay, I'm not. This isn't the cause of all of this. Have you noticed any anomalies with your base? Something only us NPCs can detect. Okay. Wait, what? I believe this orchard priority would store the information inside it instead. Just keep it from destroying itself. But now it had enough. It was too much for it. It disordered and this corrupt thing. How do you just know that? The orb, it seemed to have decomplicated its information into it. It's overwhelming. Oh, don't worry, we're fine. Although I feel like we can still do that. I can still feel it irritated and cause more problems for thing. We need to do something quick. We can't just throw it away. It's preventing me from doing that. There has to be something here. Walk around and look for something that could help us. Okay, I'll be with you, literally. I wasn't programmed for pathfinding AI, so I have to follow you around like you with your living. So y'all don't worry, don't hurt. Did it work? I can see through your eyes now. What? Nod? What? Yeah, what? Okay, I don't think the creator actually knew how to program pathfind AI, so they just did this instead. Okay, we get it. We're in a game. Hurry up and do something before this things gets worse. Objective. Follow the road. Hey, are you seeing that? Hey, how do you go? Okay, I think I followed the road. Oh wait, it's not it. Okay. Go. Okay. I'm actually controlling this thing. They're not NPCs, they're real people. And they should know this. Okay, this is the path. I think there's no more to it. Let's go. Okay. Wow, we're practically out of bounds now. There is still land here. We're not technically out of bounds. Okay. You're no fun. Also, can we just talk about how a game about getting this snack out evolved into this mess? Yeah, true. It's dumb. Hold on. I can't jump. Oh my. Let's go. Like around. Let's go right here. Around here. Go. Okay, I got it. Let's wait. Wait, this looks like an obby. You can't jump. How are we supposed to get a pass? Well, have you tried really hard? Like really, really hard? What does that mean? Oh, I guess you're right. I just wasn't trying hard enough. So what happens when you try your best? Okay, go, 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 go. Come on! Yes! Okay. Uh, hello? What? What is this? Okay. Oh, I can jump. I feel like there should be something there. Something important. Okay. Wait, I can't. Hello? It's going to appear any second now, right? This is only 10. This is 10 minutes into the video. I can't be wasting storage. What? Oh my gosh, please don't tell me there's two of these kind of things. Wow, it's a cube. Like that weird popular block game people play. How do you do this? No. It can talk? Oh no, even worse. It talks. Yeah! It's not going to give an exposition resulting in 5 minutes of boring dialogue, is it? I am the Q. You can call me Q. Q. What is Q? Your name is one syllable. You don't have to shorten it. This place isn't exactly Bethesda, isn't it? It could be definitely better. Who are you exactly? Basically, I roam around the universe and the anomaly. What is anomaly mean? What? By universe, and you mean games. Yes, there are so many games out there. I get lost sometimes. However, I can feel a strange aura when okay. I go in there, fix them, release a new version of the game, done. I know this has been corrupted and I couldn't ignore it. This acts very strange. It can't even handle a player inside of it. That's slowly breaking. It only held out for so long because of Orby in here. What are you gonna do? Oh, this. I had a partner once, and I couldn't be everywhere at the same time. I needed a bit of help. This actual name is Orby. The last time I saw Orby was when they wandered into a I guess they ended up here. I didn't think much of it at the time because they thought they were able to handle it. I couldn't find them because I forgot what world they went in. They were millions of others over. It was only after Orby has enough and started breaking down that I noticed the giant bugs and glitches is the thing had. Why do I sound like Toasted Cherry? So you're the powerful thing that goes around fixing experiences. This Orby was a puncher. What? They wanted it into this world and help maintain the hello. And it's just now that Orb couldn't handle anymore, and it's spewing out all the information it contained. This is a bunch of ones and zeros, huh? I don't know about you, but that sounds kind of painful. I guess you want them back then? Please tell me this and now! Cashier gave Orby to Cube. Wasn't Orby keeping one more saying, why did they're gone? There has to be a replacement. I can fix the thing the best I can, but what? I can't actually fix the world storage problem. However, this green fellow might be able to do the trick. Me? I could... Okay. Wait, me, the replacement? You're an NPC. You can store a bit of information, can't you? No. No, I'm still feeling nauseous keeping all this information. If you could believe. I don't know how many NPCs you've seen in your time, but I'm built different. I can't store as much as you think. But where else would we put all the information? Dummy. Is there really no other choice? It's either one of you take Orby's place, or this thing is corrupted forever, which will later become completely destroyed. Orby is at the brink of breaking. I can't possibly have them go through that again. Why is there sad music? Okay, it will just hurt for a second, right? I can do this. Orby will transfer its remaining information into you. That sounds like a romantic story. After that, I'll fix up the thing, restart, and hopefully you'll both be back to normal in one piece. We will not be we will not restart until we'll be done to One Piece. And hey, Orby and I will periodically visit. I can take some of your excess information and dump it in somewhere else. Just so you won't be filled with it and destroy everything. Haha, yeah, that would be nice. Cashier, are you sure about this? You said having this much information hurt you. It's whatever. I didn't want to hurt you either. Who are you talking to? Besides, I'm just some cashier. Alright, ready? Oh! Oh! I did it! I beat the game! 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 I thought it was just a game, but no, it's not really just a game. Game. I love you, weapon. Game. I beat the game, and I'm sure I'll beat it again. I'm sure I'll beat it again, and I'll come back right now. I beat it again, and I'm sure I'll have it, and I'm sure I'll beat it again, and I will come back later, sometime in the future. Thanks for watching, people. As I beat the game. Thanks for watching. I'll come back again. Oh yeah, alright. Wait, this was an hour? I beat it in an hour. I played it 31 times. My full gameplay is 41,514 seconds. I am not editing this video. What happens if I play it again? I think that's the end of the thing. Come on, press it! Come on! Making a little of that. Come on! I can't press the button. Why can't I press the button? I'm trying to press the button. It won't let me. I think the game broke. Get a snack at 3 a.m. simulator. Okay. But I can't press. Okay.